The citric acid cycle is also known as the tricarboxylic acid cycle or the Krebs cycle, and basically it is a part of the much larger process called cellular respiration, which is the process where your body harvests energy from the foods you eat. So the first step in this cycle is when the acetyl-CoA adds its 2-carbon group to oxaloacetate, producing citric acid. And throughout this whole cycle, the combining of the two different molecules is catalyzed by enzymes. So the second step to this process is we have the citrate, which is a 6-carbon molecule, and it removes one water molecule and adds another. It is then converted to its isomer isocitrate. So the next step to this process, the isocitrate reduces its NAD plus to a NADH. This then results in the compound losing a CO2 molecule. So from this oxidization, the isocitrate forms a new 5-carbon molecule called a alpha ketoglutarate. The next step is similar to the one before. It loses another CO2 molecule and also forms one NADH. Now that the alpha ketoglutarate has been converted into a 4-carbon molecule succinyl-CoA, this leads us to our fifth step in the process. So the CoA is displaced by a phosphate group, which is transferred to GDP, forming GTP, a molecule with functions similar to ATP. GTP can also be used as shown to generate ATP. In the next step, succinate is converted into fumarate through oxidation, and during this process, one FADH2 is formed. Next, in the step, we have fumarate, which adds a water molecule which rearranges bonds in the substrate, which converts fumarate to malate. For the final step, the malate is converted back to an oxaloacetate, and during this process, it is reduced from an NAD plus to an NADH.